How to burn a CD from Spotify. So in order to burn a CD from Spotify, first of all you must have CD or DVD-ROM connected with your PC. And after that, let's open a new tab, and here are the few steps that help us to burn a CD from Spotify. Firstly, open Windows Media Player and tap Library and then Music. And next step is selecting all music. You should find the Spotify music files there. After that, on the second step, at upper right corner, tap 1 and directly drag and drop Spotify music to the burned list. The third step is connect a CD disk to a PC and then tap Start 1. By following all the three steps, you can easily burn a CD from Spotify. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button, share it to your friends, and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more tech and tips videos. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.